How to fix notes disappeared on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, launch the settings application on your device and tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen. Here tap on iCloud and then tap on the notes option you see there. If you don't see the notes option, you can also tap on the see all option and you will be able to see the option for notes. Tap on notes and make sure the toggle button for sync this iPhone is toggled on, and if not, then toggle on the toggle button for sync this iPhone. Next, open Notes on your device and see if your notes has appeared yet or not, and if not, then in settings again, tap on general and then on software update. Go ahead and update the latest version of iOS, as updating the latest version of iOS fixes all the bugs in your iPhone. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then open Notes app again and then tap on Folders on top left of your screen and then tap on Recently Deleted Folders or iCloud Folders or On My iPhone folder and see if your notes are placed there. If not, then you can try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart refreshes syncing issues on your iPhone, as sometimes the syncing might be disrupted. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix notes disappeared on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.